Hey y'all, welcome to Unloved Garage. Today we're going to talk about my debacle with the Corvair trunk pan and why it's been crazy and a pain. I've been cutting on it and trying to get a new pan in, but I'll show you what's happened. So, for those of you that don't know, I have an early model Corvair, and this is the trunk pan. Well, this is what would be the trunk pan. It's very rusted out, so I cut most of it out and ordered a new floor pan. Ordered it from Clark's Corvair, got the kit from them, got the whole set for all the floors and the trunk, and it was supposed to replace everything and fit really nice and perfect, but it didn't. Well, at least I thought it was supposed to fit a little better, but the floor pan fit perfect. I was just having all kind of grief with the trunk pan, and I just couldn't get it straight. And I'll show you what I was looking at. Well, if you're into Corvairs, you kind of see what's wrong pretty immediately. I have an early model Corvair, and this is a late model trunk pan. That's a problem. So what do? I call Clark's Corvair, say, hey, this is what happened. You sent me the wrong thing. I mean, I kind of ordered the stuff 2.5, 3 years ago. I know, I've been putting it off, okay? Life gets in the way, all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm done making excuses. I'm trying to build a car now. So, here's what we're doing. I called them, let them know what happened, and they said, all right, here's what you can do. You can send us the old one back, and you pay for the shipping on that one, and we'll see what we can do, and we'll send you the one that you were supposed to get originally. So they called me back about 20 minutes later after I called them the first time, and they're like, can you send us some pictures? Because you said you had massaged the trunk pan to try and get it to fit. I said, yeah. So I sent them pictures, and they were like, we don't want that one back. Can't blame them. They can't sell it as a new item, so it's not real great for them. They asked me to pay for shipping on the new one, and they'll send it to me. So $30 later, I get a new, brand new trunk pan getting sent to me, and it is just pretty as could be. I'm just tickled, just so happy. Here, I'll show you why I'm real happy. So this is why I'm so happy. Because if you look, this thing, I have done absolutely nothing but set it in place. And it fits like it's supposed to. I mean, it's just pretty as could be. I mean, all I got to do is weld that thing in. I mean, I got to clean it up some more, and I ain't got to do much to it. It's so much better. And it was so refreshing and nice dealing with a company where I just literally made a phone call, and within minutes had the problem resolved. I wasn't talking to an auto dialer. Someone answered the phone as soon as I called. It was awesome. So big shout out to Clark's Corvair, because they are awesome. And I'm sure everybody in Corvair already knows about them. But if you don't, they're really good to work with. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. I pay for everything from them just like everybody else does. But hopefully next time you see this Corvair, we'll be welding some stuff in. But trying to do this without dying in the summer heat with weather like it's August and June. So, fun times. Welcome to the South. It's past 10 o'clock at night and I'm already pouring sweat, and I've only been out here like 5 minutes. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. I'll see you in the next one.